Hello. This is Jaja Requa. Welcome to Free Joy Reviews. This is a Clikitz app review. And it's going to go like this. I'm going to give you what is free. I'm going to give you things that are free. And then I'm going to go into Clikitz review, the Clikitz review and the joy of it and what's the benefit of it. And then that will be the end of the review. So here we go. Without further ado, I would like to show you the benefits of you getting this Clikitz. Oh my god, it's Clikitz app. It helps you to break free financially, and I am going to help you do that with all these free, absolutely free bonuses I'm about to show you. But first, let me just give you a brief, in a nutshell, what this is. In a nutshell, Clikitz is a app that helps you make money online with one click. It's simple as that. Clikitz is a brand new push button app that takes less than 30 seconds for you to set up. I do not believe that. You have to actually have some sort of a little bit of technical skills if it's going to take you 30 seconds to do that. But there's a little bit of an exaggeration, but it activates and you gets you free traffic. So free traffic is built into the app, and it gets you paid every single time someone clicks on a specific special link created by the app. That's awesome. I used to think that that's impossible, but I actually I see people around me like I'm friends with, or like I'm in the same group of affiliates with Ministry of Freedom, which is a group of affiliates that basically make money online. And I've seen people make a K a day, $1,000 a day, 6 figures a week. So this sentence right here, you get paid every time someone clicks on a special link created by the app. That's an actual reality that can actually happen. In this affiliate group that I'm in, I got these bonuses that I'm about to show you. Where are there? I got some bonuses. One from two people. They're both named Mark. It's coincidentally. Mark is another affiliate that makes like $1,000 a day and more doing this. You can have over $3,000 worth of things for free. Now this Clikitz, it's only $19 to start, so this is an amazing opportunity for you. They gave it to me, so I'm gonna give it to you. It's a selection of all the marketing keywords that have been used and tested. 20 ready to upload niche blogs. So basically you don't need to write blogs. If you have a blog and you want something to put up there, he's ready to give it to you. New guide to SEO, blogging, WordPress, screw Google Cache system. I thought that was funny. 6 videos and 2 PDF courses on how to stop relying on Google to help you make money. WordPress opt-ins, Google nomination, niche authority marketing, content marketing, blueprint. That's a lot of stuff, and that's not it. That's not even it. That's like about $3,000 worth of things. And then there is another one, another person that was in the same affiliate. I'm gonna put down the link of this group that I'm in. It's so nice to be in a community of people who are like-minded. We buy off each other's links, and they give, and so I got these bonuses through them. And look at the bonuses that I got. This is through Mark Gossage. Mark Gossage is an old soul. I really love his reviews, and I bought instant sale Berserker, although I access to it. This is how supportive I am. Although I had access to it and I reviewed it, I still bought it off him just because of his bonuses. That's how much I appreciate the group that I'm in and the bonuses that he has. But now I'm giving it to you. Now it's given to me. I bought it and I got all the bonuses for free, and now I'm giving it to you, and it's over 100 bonuses. These are just the top 20. Copies King, funnels, making money online, website flipping, tips on traffic buyers, affiliate and advertising, webinar lessons, priceless traffic buyers, and too many to list. There are around 100 bonuses as well. So you're going to get these bonuses not on top of these. How to get a massive money making list that pumps dollars out daily. These are the things these are the bonuses that I'm giving to you that they gave to me. And I did just did it really because I'm a mom and I was really busy today and I didn't get a chance to do any custom bonuses. So so I had to actually do it through give you what I already have through what my friends gave me through Ministry of Freedom, which is the friendship group that I am in. Anyway, these links will set you free and create massive fun with a life of ease. But only if you implement it consistently. I strongly advise for you to pick no more than 3 of these strategies at a time and practice them. And as you get better, you could add more, because the thing with these things is this: it's not gonna work if you don't put any time in it. It's just not gonna work for you if you don't put any time in it. You have to put time in it. You have to get off your ass, and you have to just do at least 1 hour, 2 hours. You have to commit to it. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. And that's the way it is. I am going to show you a little bit more about. I'm gonna just go into, let's say, the sales page. Go up a little bit and show you the benefits because it's free, and show you the free parts. Oh, right. This has like up to $4,997 worth of bonuses. You have bonuses here that is amazing. And you could check it out when you go into the sales page in addition to what I gave you. Like I gave you like over, and the combination is like $10,000 worth of free stuff for $19. I'm gonna get into the price of this, but it's so the benefits are that you don't need any special skills. You don't have to have a website, no email. You don't have to wait to start making money. Free traffic to build on, no selling. Everything inside is done for you. You get paid every time someone clicks on their mouse. Once you activate Clikitz, the money keeps coming in. This is a brand new money making system that is nothing that you've seen before, and you can make over $100 a day. Let's go into, well, how much does this thing cost? Well, it costs $19. I've seen it. Let's go into how much it costs. Trying to get to that part. Really nice if I can get it prepared here. Anyway, it's $19, and then there's an upsell to, I don't want to wait, hold on. So it's $19, and then the OTO is $37 and $197, $47, And so these are the different prices, but you get all the bonuses. If you click on the link below, you can get all of those bonuses, and $19 for all of those things. I mean, I spent that money on buying weed and buying like ridiculous things. $20 can go, and this is value. This can really free you if you take the time to learn about it. I really like Jason Fulton's stuff. He goes out of his way to make your life simple and easy. I did a review on his one of his other products called Pockets last month. You could check it out here. I'm going to go into the members area, and I'm going to start showing you a little bit of how this works. Okay, this is the members area now. To get started, you could get started and it'll just take you straight to the training. So like if you want to know how this works, just go straight into the training, the Clikitz training, and it will let you know how it works. It'll show you a short version, and then it will show you a full training of how this is. But basically what you do is you create a campaign. So let's say you're going to create something here. Let's say you're going to call it Make Money Online. And you're going to do the second one. You could say like Make Money Daily, or make $100 daily. That sounds fun. And then you could just pick a YouTube, just search the YouTube, and you just say anything that you want, any niche that you want. I'm just making things up here. Make 100 a day online. And then you basically gonna press search, and then these are going to pop up. You're gonna come up with all these things you could use. You could use them legally, and then you could just select any one that you want to use. And then after you select that, you could select a thumbnail image. You could either pick one or search for one, or you could upload one, and you could upload one through Canva, like make money. Oh, and you press this, and then you could pick anything that you like, you know, any selection that you like. And then after that, you get to, this is the fun part, this is where you get to monetize your stuff. You have several ways to monetize, and here you go. You could monetize through either image ads, CTA, buy buttons, but Google video ads is awesome, because what happens is that when you use that, the videos that you did choose, if they view it, you get a couple of cents. That's the only down part. It's not $1. It's like a couple of cents. I don't know exactly how much cents, but the fact that you could go to sleep and the World Wide Web is never asleep, you could wake up, that adds up. So the Google ads is this is no work. This is it's really all done for you. And you could do this on any platform that you like. I mean, you could create all these Clikitz links, and you could choose any platform you like. There are all these platforms that you can choose, and you could click some more, and they're even more platforms that you can use. So you could use several platforms, several niches. This is an awesome thing. I hope you enjoy it. Please get your bonuses. Enjoy this amazing opportunity for you to make several $100s a day, but you have to put the work in. This is something that's not going to just happen on its own. You really have to, if you want financial freedom, you really and truly have to put the work in and be committed and make a decision. Anyway, Thank you so much for visiting Free Joy Reviews, and I'll see you next time. And link, comment if you like it, and subscribe. Bye.